2, 1. Welcome to the Dave and Albert Show. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh, okay. So now we are talking about, in Simf we use a lot of post-it notes. So we're going to talk about a tool that the team here has made to make our life so much easier.
We did not make the post-it notes.
Yeah, so we use a lot of post-it notes. What do you use the post-it notes for? We use them for collaborating, making ideas. So example, Dave has an idea, I have an idea. And then what we do is we then post it like here.
Oh, sorry.
Post it, yeah, there. And then we then vote on them. So the team then gets stickers, and then we vote on these things.
Yep.
Right? I like this idea. I like
that.
this idea a lot.
I like my idea too.
And then the most who gets an idea, what happens is then
I only got one.
we do this all the time. It's great. It really works. But the thing is, we use a ton of post-it notes, like a lot of post-it notes. So we decided to make an online tool so that we could save trees and not use a lot of post-it notes, and at the same time get our remote people working together with
That's
us.
right. Because not everyone's here all the time.
So we made an app called DecisionJam.com.
Link below.
Yeah, so it's a free tool that you can use to make decisions with your team. So how does it work, Dave?
Yeah, I mean, well, let me give you a quick walkthrough. So basically, someone might have an idea, or
problem,
anyone
whatever.
on your team might have ideas or problems or suggestions or things like that. And so what you can do is you basically go in, you create a decision jam,
Right.
and then you can share that link with your team, and
Yeah.
then your team can all go there and they can post. So
What will they post? Like answers to the ideas? Like for example, the question is like, what will we do for, or where should the venue be for the team outing this year?
Yeah, exactly. So then everyone on your team gets the link. They go there and they make suggestions.
It's anonymous.
Boracay, Bohol, Hong Kong.
It's anonymous,
Singapore.
so egos don't get in the way.
Yeah, yeah.
Right?
And so then after they all submit their decisions, you can give them a time limit.
Not decisions, ideas.
I mean ideas. Within 5 minutes, they can say, okay,
Yeah.
these are my suggestions for where we should do our team outing.
Right. And then next stage will be the voting stage.
voting.
Yeah, so then everybody gets a limited number of votes. You can do 2, 3, 4, up to you. Each person can get a limited number of
like your
votes.
stickers.
And then they vote for the ideas independently from their phone, from their device. And then when all of the people are done voting,
Yep.
you can then decide to reveal the winning ideas. So then the winning ideas are
They're
on
ranked.
top, the ranked, top
By
voted.
the number of
out.
votes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then you're done. I think then after like 6 minutes,
Yeah.
6-7 minutes, you're done making a decision.
Yeah.
And you can move on and you already solved it.
So another thing that this solves for us, like when we try to do these ideas, you can see that the post-it notes get all over the place. But there's also a social influence. You know?
Yeah.
So if a leader's in the room, everyone's watching the leader.
Yeah,
What
where
vote
does
for?
Dave vote?
Yeah,
Oh, I
so
have to vote where
I
Dave
put my
voted.
sticker there, and then everyone follows and they put it there. And I don't really want that.
Yeah.
I want to have objectivity because I value my team's opinions. I want their suggestions.
Yeah, so decisionjam.com really removes that.
Yeah.
It's anonymous, and then you all vote at the same time without seeing what other people are voting
Yeah.
for, and then it's all revealed at the same time.
Yeah.
It's great.
It's cool.
It's really great.
We're proud of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you want to give it a try and if you have suggestions and feedback, let us know. Just go to decisionjam.com.
Bye, guys. All right.